Our camp with the Santee-Wateree region, STEAM into the Future, we were asked to be partnered with the Kids Club here in Sumter to provide drones to the kids, and we taught the kids the basic of drones, building drones, how drones are designed, built, and also we flew the drones, and most of the kids, enjoyed the drones. Well, not only drones, it keep the kids' mind stimulated during the summer. They did some science projects with the mad scientists, math, and also with our drones, what we provide with the youth here. Like I said, to help them, see a possible future in drone engineering.
Streaming science, technology, reading, engineering, art, and math. Those are very important core subjects that we need to equip our young people with in order to be successful in these new technologically inclined careers. It has been very impactful to our community. Some children that I've had through the years, and I know that we have served probably over 2,000 or 3,000 children. They have never been out of Sumter County. So they got to experience leaving the county. And in one case, we actually left the state. We went to North Carolina, not that far, but we went to North Carolina to the museum over there. So just providing experiences that they wouldn't normally get in the traditional school setting is huge. And especially for our Afro-American students that sometimes are left with the short end of the stick. They don't have the resources the parents would like to provide. And so by partnering with us, we're able to provide some of those opportunities for their young people.
I've seen the numbers grow. I've seen the children build friendships, and we've built bonds with the children. In doing so, we've had children that are now in college and those things, and they're actually in the workforce, and they come back to help mentor those children that they were once in that position. I think it is phenomenal to invest in a child, to pour into a child, and then have that child come back into the business or to the facility that once gave them, and for us to sit back and watch them teach other children what we taught them. So that means that they not only heard the lesson, but they actually got the lesson.